Imagine waking up, opening your laptop and seeing sales notifications rolling in from a digital product you didn't even have to create from scratch. Sounds good, right? Well, today I'm going to show you something that could completely change how you create and sell digital products online. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're into online business, digital products, side hustles, or making money with AI, you're going to love this one. Today, we're talking about ChatGPT Prompts PLR, a massive bundle of ready-to-use prompts that you can actually rebrand and sell as your own. And no, this isn't just another random PDF with recycled ideas. Let's be honest, creating digital products from scratch takes time. Writing hundreds or even thousands of high-quality prompts, that's overwhelming. You have to brainstorm, test, refine, organize, format, and then design the product. It's a lot. And that's why most people never launch. But what if you didn't have to start from zero? That's exactly what this ChatGPT Prompts PLR package is offering. This is a bundle of 10,000 ChatGPT prompts, organized across multiple categories like marketing, social media, email copywriting, SEO, productivity, business ideas, content creation, you name it. And here's the powerful part. You get full private label rights. That means you can rebrand it, rename it, package it differently, sell it as your own product, bundle it with other offers, or even use the prompts to generate content and build completely new digital assets. Basically, you skip the heavy lifting. Think about this. You could take a section of marketing prompts, turn it into a niche-specific prompt pack, and sell it on Etsy or Gumroad. You could bundle prompts for real estate agents, fitness coaches, YouTubers, small business owners, or you could use the prompts internally to generate ebooks, email sequences, ad copy, blog posts, and build entire product lines faster. It's leverage, and in the digital world, leverage is everything. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Are these prompts actually useful? Is this just fluff? Is it worth it? Fair questions. Here's the thing. The real value isn't just the prompts themselves, it's the time saved, the structure, the organization, the head start. If you've ever tried to sit down and create hundreds of quality prompts, you know that alone can take weeks. This compresses that process. Also, the pricing model on the page increases over time, meaning the earlier you get in, the lower the price. I'm not saying rush blindly, but if you've been thinking about launching digital products or building something in the AI space, this is a shortcut. Here's how I would personally use it. Step 1. Pick a niche. Step 2. Extract relevant prompts. Step 3. Rebrand them into a focused, outcome-driven pack. Step 4. Sell it as a specialized solution instead of just 10,000 prompts. Positioning is everything. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've put the link in the description below. Go through the page, see if it aligns with your goals, and decide if it makes sense for you. And if you do grab it, let me know in the comments how you plan to use it. I'd love to hear your ideas. At the end of the day, tools don't make money. Execution does. But the right tools can speed up your execution. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content on AI and digital income strategies, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, build smart.